These are the best snow snag sinkers on the planet. Sometimes they're called dragon weights. They use them for catfishing. I'll tell you at the end of the video why these are so awesome. I start out with the same roll of 1/4-inch lead that everybody does. I use a number 5 snap swivel and a little bit of shrink tubing. Now if you're buying shrink tubing, get 5/32. But if you're like me and you already own 1/4-inch, just use the 1/4-inch. I cut them to length and then I drill a hole in the end. I make my own sinker slides with the number 5 snap swivels and coffee stirrers. Put a center punch in the vise and heat the end up and bell that end out. The snap swivel goes right in the hole. Slide the shrink tube up to where the snap swivel can never come open, and there you go. Put a little curve in it because that makes it work a whole lot better. The reason these are so good, they're cheap. So if you get broke off, which you don't hardly ever do, I use them for fishing rocky bottoms and below the spillways, and you don't get hung up near as bad as the other sinkers. And also they're cheap enough, you don't really care if you do lose them. And they're infinitely adjustable. You just roll off as much of that lead or as least of that lead as you want.